And recording's on.
Okay, this is our MegaDesk Razor page. This is CIT 365 Team Eternal. We've got Joseph.
How's it going?
Marshall.
Howdy from Income, Idaho.
Steve.
How's it going?
And I am Kirk Mortensen, your host, and the guy who doesn't sound with the raspy voice anymore. So we're going to move through this and take a look at our different pages. We're going to analyze it with a little bit of analyze the HTML and take it away.
All right, so here's our landing page. You can see there's some custom styling and just kind of an introduction of what the page or the website actually does. We have our navigation links up here. If you click MegaDesk, it'll take you to the index of the quote page or the desk quotes. We have some entries already in here. You can sort by date. You can sort by customer name. And then you can filter by customer name as well. And then I will show you, you can edit. So here's all the fields. I could change the name, whatever. You could change any of these fields. There's our visual cues for the desktop material. We'll save that. And then in the detailed view, you can see the ID and everything that's relating to the desk and the desk quote. If we go back, you can then delete items with confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete this? I'll say yes, delete. And then now I'll show creating a new desk quote. So we'll put in Steve, one that didn't have a quote yet. If you put out of range, the validation triggers and says it has to be between the acceptable range. If you try to put in some empty values, it'll also show that these values or these input fields must be, or that they are required. So let's go ahead and fill it in with valid information. Before we'll give Steve Rosewood and
nice taste, Steve.
3-day shipping. He's a high roller. Create, and there it is, the new quote, 1060. And you can see all the different views. We also have a privacy page, a kind of a template thrown in there as well, just to add a little extra. Does anybody else have anything they'd like to add?
I think you covered it pretty good.
I think covered it pretty good. Do we want to walk through just some of the HTML? We know we have a couple issues on that. Do we want to say anything about those? Just the Razor pages stuff, like the menu?
I mean, it's just the standard stuff. I feel like that's pretty standard.
Yeah. We just to mention in the video, we did note as we checked out all our pages, we did notice there's a couple things from the ASP. Yeah, the
generated.
That were generated, and obviously the HTML checker wasn't overly excited about them, but we researched them all. We feel that everything is working, so we feel it's mostly just conflicts with the Razor pages.
All right, great. Thank you.
Very cool. Thanks.
Thanks, guys.